Metal-Fabricator workshop supervisor. Yeah, g'day mate, my name's Kano. So today I've got a client in Kalgoorlie in Western Australia looking for a metal fabricator that's able to step up and take a supervisor role within their workshop. They manufacture and repair equipment for mine sites. The client said he's had success in the past with applicants from South Africa, but happy to entertain any nationality. The ability to sponsor the 482 visa, future ability to do subsequent entrant visa, future nomination for permanent residency, depending on age and English scores. So yeah, if you're a metal fabricator, if you've got experience being a supervisor or manager, if you are visa doc ready, if you have all the documents ready for a visa, then fill out the application form below or send me an email. Have a good day, mate.